So you must take very care and carefully for this laser head. And if there is dust on it, you could blow it or use dust approved cloth to wipe it. So it's better to blow. And every time after use, you could switch off the machine, you could put back the cap. So about 1 month later, you need to exhaust all the waters inside the industrial chiller. So first you need to open the water inlet, and then you could open the drain here, and then the water will come out. And please be sure that you will not water the pipe, the cables. And you could make it incline to one side, and then you can exhaust the waters inside.